Alright, so this old thing hasn't been started in about a month. Let's see if we can fix that. I think it'll need jump cables. Let's see if I can find the keys. There it is. Place your bets. Is it going to need jumper cables? Check to make sure. Yeah, it's probably good. Yeah, that's what I thought. Well, man, I'm getting tired of doing this. Battery charger. Yeah. I don't even know what time it is. I need 2 hands to do this. Amp. And quite frankly, I don't need this to be in there because I'm just going to do a jump start. There we go. Oh, shoot. Let's see if I remember how to do this correctly. Seriously, I'm getting tired of doing this. Battery's older than sin, but whatever. I guess in the meantime, let's go ahead and check the oil. Oil in this hasn't been checked in forever. So, wait right here. Actually, come with me. Did a video on this, probably might revisit it. There we go. Old dirty thing. Probably not a good idea to be using this to check the oil, but I don't care. Dipstick. Seriously though. Oh, where's the port? There it is. Some good looking oil, but it is due, well past due, for an oil change. Pride and prejudice, don't give me that power. Downside of having long hair, guys. Come. Oh. I know what you guys are thinking. You guys are probably screaming in the comments, just plug it into the Jeep and fire that up and use jumper cables. Yeah, dingus. Well, you don't know my parents then. They don't do jumper cables. Everything is done their way. While it would be a good idea, because look at this. See how it's all nice and taut? Yeah. I agree with you guys. But no. Everything must be done their way. Well, shoot. It's either their way or the highway. There we go, now we've got more cable. Seriously, though. Okay. There we go. Running beautifully. All right, let's crank this up now. Nope. Gotta wait a bit. I'm serious. This damn thing needs a new battery. But will my parents ever get a new battery for it? Nope. Not a chance. Why? I don't know. But seriously, that. Try it now. Oh yeah, for those of you that don't remember, Chevrolet Suburban, 1990, radio, climate control, four-wheel drive, stuck, like always. Controls, everything, ashtray, power outlet, I don't even know if that works. Old, craggly, that's new. It's coming off even more there. Look over there. Oh yeah, I've got boots. I had a pair of Andy's shoes, but those are destroyed beyond recognition. Give it a little throttle. That's looking better. Yeah, I'm not getting high hopes for this. Let's see what's going on. Oh yeah, this is a 1990, so look under here. There's no way you can manually crank this thing. There's no possible way. Too new. I can't tell if that's the starter right over there. You see that? I can't tell if that's the starter. All I know is that this is an axle. If you guys have seen regular car reviews video, then you should know that this has two live axles. But I know pretty darn well that the starter is right where the flywheel meets the transmission. I'm not down here much. See all this wetness here? That's all probably power steering fluid. Needs a new power steering pump. Okay, that's new. That's all wetness over there too. Ugh. Yeah, I think this thing needs a new battery. What the hell's that? Oh. That's just on there. Okay. Oh, in case you guys want to know what's under here. I have to climb up. I will do just that then. This is really just the air filter. Semi-carbureted, I believe. Really, it's fuel injected, but I do believe it's semi-carbureted. I mean, it's still old to have a carburetor. If you guys remember the old 1990 TCs, yeah, that looked like it had fuel injection. Yeah, look down here. No way to crank it. No way to manually crank it. Although that bottom wheel all the way down there looks like a plausible idea. If only there was a way to crank it. And this is a fan. Reference to Electro Boom's video when he was scavenging a microwave, like I had done myself once. Just never did it on video. Oh, shoot. But, yes. Jumper cable from this thing to that thing would be a good idea. But nope. Mom and Dad are like, nah, just hook it up to the charger. It'll do you just fine. It'll do the exact same thing. No. Right off the bat, no. This could take a while. I guess in the meantime, this, I'm sure as you can tell, is the power steering pump. This truck needs a new power steering pump. Alternator, of course. Of course, radiator, fan. Tripping over everything. This is... What is this? Coolant pump? Is this? Hydraulic pump? I don't know. Oh yeah. Alright, so for those of you who own 1991 or older Suburbans or Tahoes, something similar to this. So you know how the wiper wash reservoir is right here, right? See down there? It's the wash fluid. Sorry if this is all zoomed in, or if it is. Can anyone tell me what this is? I'd like to know. Hit me up in the comments section. I know it says something about a parking brake, but I don't know what this is. If anyone can tell me, please. If anyone knows what this is, please tell me. I'd like to know. These are your hydraulics. I don't want to break it. I'll just have y'all peek in there for me. Yeah, it looks good. It's at 10 amp, but doesn't seem to be doing very much anymore. I think it's time for a new battery. I might have to jump it. Also, coolant reservoir, I don't know what this is. It looks interesting. I'd like to know what it is. And I wonder where the horn is, too. I do genuinely wonder. Oh, horn, where art thou, horn? Well, then again, that's just me. The hell was that? I didn't do nothing. Shnikes. That scared the bejeebers out of me. That's certainly not good. Let's see what's going on. Alright, hang on. That certainly doesn't seem normal, so hang on. Battery says it's reading pretty good. Or at least the charger does. We'll just see. We'll just see about that. Huh? No. Battery says the charger says it's reading pretty good. We'll just see about that. Yeah. I did. Give it a while longer, they say. I think not. No, I got it. I got it. I'm good. Let's see how she rolls. That's it. She's done in. At this point, the battery is now a dead short. I do. I plugged it in. That's weird. It wouldn't crank originally. Gets you wrong. Weird. I'm sure they're leaving out of service. I'm sure they're leaving out of service. No, on this battery. I just simply do not get it. I wonder what this one's too. Huh? Huh? All right. Yeah, good. I got a kick out of my dad. Absolutely.
This is a slow motion video of the engine idling in this 1990 Chevrolet Suburban.
Yeah. That's going to be the end of the video. This thing's at the end of its service life, or at least nearing. I'm probably going to end up leaving this. I'm probably going to end up leaving it hooked up to the charger. Yeah, that depends on what my dad wants to do. So, yeah, that's going to be it for this video. Yeah. More on it later, I guess. Yeah, pretty light duty. This thing's got a lot of repairs it needs. So. There we go. Just trying to get it worked back into so that way it wouldn't turn on its own.